So, how much should you really spend on a robot vacuum? Can you get one for $100? Or do you need to sell a kidney for the $1,000 model? Let's find out. Budget models, $100 to $300. They clean? Kinda. More like randomly bump into stuff and hope for the best. Mid-range, $300 to $700. Now we're talking. Smart mapping, better suction, and they don't act like confused toddlers. Premium, $700 to $1,500. These are the Ferraris of robot vacuums. Self-emptying, AI-powered, and probably smarter than your ex. So, which one fits your lifestyle? Are you team cheap and chaotic or premium and peaceful? Tell us in the comments.